Today I am going to show you how to make these cute backpack pins. This is a great project for back to school. This project is sponsored by Cricut, and I am going to use the Maker 3 along with some pens and some smart materials to create this. If this sounds like something you want to learn how to do, stick around. Full tutorials coming right up. For these backpack pins, I am going to use the Maker 3. I'm also going to use some colored paper, some Cricut gel pens, and this smart sticker cardstock. I've also got these pin backs. The full product listing that I'm using is all down in the description down below, so you can go check that out. We are going to start over in Design Space to create our design. So in Design Space, I'm going to start by choosing a circle and sizing this to the correct size for my pin. Then I'm going to duplicate that circle because I want to make a layered pin, one on the white sticker paper and then a backing of colored paper. Next, in images, I'm going to choose a few sketch images that I want to use. You can do that by sorting by the Draw Only category on the left. Once I have my image, I'm going to size it appropriately, and under Operation on top, I'm going to select Pen and the specific gel pen that I'm going to use for this project. I'm going to repeat that process with a few other images in different colors. Now, to cut these, I'm going to start by pulling the colored circles and hiding those for the first cut. Then I'm going to attach each drawn image to its circle background. This is going to allow me to draw and cut in one pass through the Maker. I'm going to select Make It and choose without a mat because I'm using a smart material here. I'm going to choose sticker cardstock, and Cricut is going to tell me exactly what to do here. So the first thing I'm going to do is load up that smart sticker cardstock. I don't need any mat for this. And then I'm going to load in the pink pen. Over in Design Space, it's going to tell me what pen is next. And then at the end, it's going to cut them all out with the blade that's in there. And this is what we're left with. Now to cut these circles, I'm going to hide those things we just cut, bring the circles back, and choose an on mat here for this one. And then I'm going to space these circles out a little bit, and I'll show you why. When I click continue, over on my mat, I'm just going to put 4 pieces of scrap paper there, exactly where they were on my canvas, and I'm just going to cut out 4 circles. So I've got my circle backing, and I have my stickers for the top, and I'm just going to attach them together here. To add a little protection to these stickers, I'm going to run them through a laminator. And finally, I'm going to use a strong glue to attach a pin back to each one. Using a Cricut to make pins is a really fun way to customize your backpack for back to school, or your purse or your jacket, wherever you want to add some flair. You can use designs that are in Design Space, or you can create your own. I hope you found this video helpful and that you are ready to go make something creative like these pins using your Cricut. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I share new tutorials right here on Creative Ramblings every week. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.